We're finally fixing the hood latch on the Ranger.
Nice.
Got these strike bolts that will go, and we'll use the toothpaste to mark it, and I use the Dremel to cut it out, and should be quick, let's hope. Okay, we're looking at where we can mount. We're thinking about using these, just pull them out here, and then get that piece off, see if this will fit into it. The good news about the positions that we chose is there are these corresponding marks already, so we don't even have to do the whole toothpaste deal. We just know exactly where to drill.
Oh no! Oh no, bro! Oh no! Oh no, bro!
It's right on the body line.
Where'd you put it? Like in the center?
I put it in the center, it's just the pilot. And this mod wasn't all for aesthetics, although it will be partially, but the hood latch cable in the car didn't work, so I had to drive with it partially up the whole time. So we're gonna go ahead and remove that, so we can get these seated properly and then get to cutting.
Threw it on the ground.
I threw it on the ground.
Got the hood latch cable out, we're all good. Got the Dremel now, so we're gonna tape up some holes and cut her out. We're starting our food review channel, so we're trying La Morditas. What are your thoughts on this, Brian?
Bueno. Live Moss.
Oh, good. Okay, taped it up. I'm gonna put these over there and then draw on it with a Sharpie and then use that as the Dremel. Okay, so we got them taped up and lined up. Fresh fade. Gonna use the Dremel to cut them out. And we'll see how it goes. Yeah, so this side now fits. It's a little awkward because it's at this sort of natural curve, but it functions. We taped up the engine bay so we don't get any metal particles. So we're just going to cut out that piece there so we can mount the bracket to it.
And my safety squints.
Drew it out and marked all the holes, but we're having some issues because of the natural curvature of the hood here. So we're having to go back and make the holes a little bit wider. Okay, first one's in. Works. Now we just gotta mount up the pegs, get them to the right height, and we should be good. Right. have everything mounted. We're looking at where the pin strikes, and I need to come up left. Brian's gotta come up right, and then maybe we'll get some good fitment on here finally. Okay, we got it where we like the fitment. It's looking good. This side doesn't operate the best, but it still works, so we're gonna send it.
His side's pretty good.
Yeah, his side's actually like locked down.
You just have to lift it up when you do it, but
We probably could, you know, make it nicer, but because it's at that weird angle right here, it's just not gonna happen, so. And we lock it, and it doesn't open. Nice. All done, looks pretty good. How hard would you say that install was?
it depends. If you're real good with the cutting tools, it's like would 10 be the hardest, or?
Yeah.
I'd give it about a 4.
Okay.
The hard part is going to be getting your adjustments. See, like we kind of have to lift it to close it. But other than that, it's not too bad. Pretty easy. And don't lose any of the little bolts in the hood.
Yeah, off camera, Brian dropped one of the nuts in the hood, so it will live in here forever. Or until I take it off, which will probably be never. So we've got a few more things left to do on this truck, one of which is going to be paint correction. And I've got all the stuff to do that, so that'll be a video coming soon. But anyway, thanks for watching. We appreciate you as always. Check back soon for more.